You're still pissed off about that vending machine?
Yeah. You know me. Oh shit up.
Hey guys.
What's up?
How's your guys' week?
Shit.
Well, yours was shit and yours is... Nobody cares about you. What happened with you, man?
Alright. This is my week. Started off with, I got a freaking $100 from the lottery. You know, like I was playing the game. My financial aid came in. It's like 25 grand. My dad bought me a new car, 2010 Mustang. Yeah. And I got laid for the first time. Finally.
It wasn't rape, was it?
No, consensual. I even had to write a contract.
Contract?
Yeah, but don't worry about it. But fucking vending machine stole $1.50.
Wait. That vending machine I told you to go to, that said it'll hook you up?
Yeah, did hook me up for shit.
You gotta be kidding me, really? Dude, I put whatever it asked, and I got 5 fucking Pepsi, dude. Fucking 5. I mean, I thought it was fucking Jesus work, but...
Fuck you! You wanna know why I'm always mean to you? Because, son, one day, 20 years ago, a vending machine stole $1.50 from me. And I swore vengeance upon that vending machine. And to this day, I know that I can't be the father that you want me to be until I get my vengeance. I'll be back. It's been 20 fucking years. I may have aged well, be successful, have billions of dollars at my disposal, but I swore I was gonna get this fucking sewing machine back. That's what I'm gonna do today. I said I would get it back. What are you doing here, bro?
Got me a soda. Bye.
You know what? It took me 20 years. My wife left me. The kids hate me. Maybe a billionaire playboy who, hell, gets it on with supermodels all the time. I own a yacht, a company. I'm in the Fortune 500 magazine. Maybe very successful. But you know what? I know that I can die happily knowing that I've got vengeance on that vending machine.
The vending machine?
Yeah, you know, 20 years ago.
You're an idiot. I gave you like $10. I thought you would stop bitching after that. Yeah. Don't you feel stupid?